Stop learning Python. Seriously, stop. Every hour you spend studying tools instead of building real systems is destroying your chance to start an AI automation agency. You feel productive, but you're stuck in eternal student mode. And if you don't break out now, you won't make a single dollar in this industry. Today, I'll show you the real path and the only skills that matter. Before we start, I need you to understand one truth. Businesses don't pay for tools. They don't care if you know Python, LangChain, or the newest open source model. They pay for solved problems. That's why most beginners fail. They chase tools instead of mastering capabilities. Today, I'll give you the money stack, the 3 pillars that actually generate revenue for AI agencies. Think of the AI ecosystem like a body. The first pillar is the brain, the model that thinks. The second is the glue, the automation logic that moves information. The third is the memory, the database that stores everything. When these 3 work together, you can build systems worth $2,000 to $5,000 for businesses. Master these pillars, and the specific tools stop mattering. You become adaptable and valuable. Let's start with pillar 1, the brain. Most people think prompt engineering is just typing polite requests into ChatGPT. That's not engineering, that's chatting. To build real automations, you need structure. You need system prompts that lock the model into a role, few shot examples that show it exactly what good looks like, and strict JSON outputs so your automation never breaks. This is where reliability begins. If you can get an AI model to output clean, predictable JSON every single time, you can connect it to any software on Earth. That's what separates amateurs from automation engineers. But the brain alone isn't enough. You need a system that moves data, reacts to events, and triggers actions automatically. This brings us to pillar 2, the nervous system of your entire automation. Pillar 2 is the glue, your automation logic. This is where Make.com becomes your best friend. Unlike Zapier's simple linear flows, Make lets you build branching logic, loops, filters, and error handling without writing code. This is how you transform a smart AI output into an actual business workflow. Routers, iterators, aggregators, these are the tools that turn ideas into fully running systems. But even the smartest automation breaks without memory. That's why pillar 3 is the memory, your database. Airtable is perfect because it feels like a spreadsheet but functions like real software. Most businesses live in spreadsheet chaos. You bring structure, linked records, clean tables, and organized data allow your AI to understand context, make decisions, and improve over time. Without memory, your automation can't evolve. Even with brain, glue, and memory, many fail. Why? Because technical skill alone isn't enough. You need diagnostic ability, the soft skill of spotting inefficiencies that businesses don't see. Ask the golden question. What's the most boring, repetitive task you do that still requires thinking? That middle ground, the Goldilocks Zone, is where AI automation creates massive value. Spot it, and clients will chase you. Once you find the Goldilocks tasks, you can apply the money stack. The glue detects new events, grabs context from the memory, sends it to the brain for processing, and updates the memory automatically. This loop runs while your client sleeps. Master this cycle, and you're no longer a tool user. You're a solution provider who builds systems that generate real revenue. Here's the final step. Take action. Stop jumping from tutorial to tutorial. This weekend, commit to building one project using the money stack: brain, glue, memory. Example, watch an RSS feed, summarize it with GPT-4, store trends in Airtable, email a weekly digest. Don't sell it yet. Just prove to yourself you can create a working system from start to finish. When you finish that project, you'll have a portfolio piece that proves your skills. Then in the next video, we'll do a full build-along, step-by-step, creating a new scraper automation from scratch. You'll see every click, every JSON prompt, and every API connection. By the end, you'll have the confidence and experience to start pitching real clients and building a profitable AI agency. Remember, you don't need a computer science degree or months of Python tutorials. All you need are the 3 pillars: the brain, AI and prompting, the glue, Make.com and logic, and the memory, Airtable and data structure. Master these, And you can adapt to any new AI tool that comes along. Everything else is noise. Focus, build, and deliver value consistently. Let's recap. Stop chasing tools. Stop being the eternal student. Focus on solving problems, not learning features. The money stack, brain, glue, memory, gives you the foundation to automate real business tasks, save time, and generate revenue. Add diagnostic skills to spot inefficiencies, and you become indispensable. Your goal isn't knowledge accumulation. It's delivering results that clients are willing to pay for every single time. Now, here's your challenge. This weekend, pick one workflow and build it from scratch. It could be a lead qualification system, a content summarizer, or an invoice processor. Use GPT-4 as the brain, Make.com as the glue, Airtable as the memory. Don't worry about selling it yet, just complete it. This proves you can turn concepts into a functioning system. Remember, this isn't about following trends or learning every new AI tool. It's about mastering capabilities, not features. The brain, glue, and memory are timeless skills that will let you adapt to any AI ecosystem. Focus on solving meaningful business problems, building reliable automations, and delivering value. That's how you move from eternal student to a paid AI automation expert. Finally, don't underestimate the power of diagnosis. Knowing how to identify repetitive tasks that require thinking, the Goldilocks Zone, is your secret weapon. When you combine diagnostic skill with the money stack, clients won't just hire you, they'll seek you out. Stop guessing what tools to learn next. Build the system, solve real problems, and let results speak for themselves. That's the formula to grow a sustainable AI agency. So here's the bottom line. Stop watching tutorials and start building. Pick one workflow, complete it, and see the money stack in action. Document it. Learn from mistakes, refine it. When you finish, you'll have confidence, a working system, and your first portfolio piece. That's your foundation. Everything else, new tools, fancy frameworks, trending AI models, is secondary. And remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every automation you build teaches you more about business workflows, AI behavior, and scalable systems. The more projects you complete, the more clients you attract, and the easier it becomes to sell higher value automations. Master the 3 pillars, add diagnostic insight, and consistently deliver results. This is how beginners turn into profitable AI agency owners. Finally, here's your action plan for the week. 1. Close all tutorial tabs. 2. Choose one workflow to automate. 3. Use GPT-4 as the brain, Make.com as the glue, and Airtable as the memory. 4. Build it fully, step by step, without worrying about selling. 5. Celebrate completing your first working AI automation system. Once you finish your first project, you'll see the real power of the money stack. It's tangible, repeatable, and scalable. You'll understand how AI, automation logic, and structured data interact to solve real business problems. This is no longer theory. You've moved from eternal student mode to practitioner mode, ready to start landing clients and charging for results instead of just ideas.